Yeah, baby. All right, guys, I'm going to do a quick video on changing the trigger shoe out. This is out of my Glock 17 here. I was having a little bit of problem getting this pin out, which, I mean, it's good and bad, right? The best time to do a trigger shoe is before you assemble the gun. If you don't want to do it right away, you can do it later. You just got to take the gun back apart. Or you can buy these assemblies here that come completely assembled with the adjustable trigger shoe in it. I got links to stuff in the comments for information on that. But so first thing we want to start by doing is taking the trigger bar off this back assembly here. Now that little spring there, push it down and you can pop that little spring right out. See, there you go. And then you can take it off of here, which I don't really take them off. I don't really see a need. So the one thing that we want to make sure we do, when you start hitting that little pin right there, it's going to make a small dimple back here. That's where you know where the pin is. And then you do it on a flat surface to start with. When you start hitting this one, you want to make sure it's flat. And then you want to get your bench block out and finish it off on here, so that way the pin can fall through one of these holes. So first thing we're going to do is grab a punch. I think I will use 5/64, because it doesn't take much to get these things to pop out. So you just, I gotta watch my camera here when I'm hitting it. Let's turn it over, see what it's done. See, it's starting to make that little dimple right there. Can you, yeah, you can see a little dimple right there. So guys, I always go nice and easy on this. You never know if you're gonna need to reuse your trigger shoe or what, but apparently I'm gonna have to give it a little bit more love. And I can do that. I'm just trying to watch my camera. There we go, now it's starting to make a dimple. So sorry about the noise. I'll try to edit the banging and clanking as much as I can so it doesn't hurt your ears if you're we're using headphones. Okay, starting to make a dimple again. There we go. See that little dimple right there? Now we know where this pin is, so we can turn it over here, put it on our bench block, which this is much easier to work with, by the way. Kind of holds your part a little bit. And then we're going to want to just pop this shoe out. If you don't have one of these bench blocks here, you can always use like a small roll of tape, like Scotch tape or something. I've seen people use that before, or a big roll of tape, or whatever you can use. You just want to make sure that pin can fall out. I think I heard it. Yep, see, there it is right there. Oh, let me focus that for you all. See, there's your pin right there. And if it doesn't just readily come out, you just got to keep tapping it. And eventually, pin will come out. Yep, pin's out. There goes there's your trigger bar. And now this little Allen key right here will go into this little hole and it will hold on. There we go. It'll hold on there. So I'm gonna go get an Allen key. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Had to go get my little Allen key here, or my Allen wrench. See how small that thing is? Very tiny. So easiest way I found to do it is get your Allen key in there. Okay, it's in there. The trigger shoe goes on like so. I just like to start it. See how it clicked there? Yep, it's in there now. Then just tighten it up. Tighten it up good. I mean, you don't want to put a lot of force onto it, but because these little Allen keys will bend easy. Or Allen wrenches. And there it is. It's that simple. Then you reassemble your polymer 80 loader or whatever gun you put it in, and you're good to go. Guys, thanks for watching. If you got any questions, leave them in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.